Hello friends, this is Anand Vemulapati. Today I would like to discuss about print statement. What are the different options that are available for print statement in Python? Essentially different variations of print statement in Python, which I see sometimes even some of the experienced Python developers, they are not aware of all the options. So I just want to share that knowledge with you in this particular video. So the way that we are going to do this is I will just show you one option at a time, and then we'll just open Python and try to write a sample program to understand that concept. So let us get started. The first one is you can use a comma as a concatenation operator, comma operator as a concatenation, which I generally use in all my Python workshops. You don't have to do the type conversion, right? Data type conversion, and Python will take care of the conversion automatically for you. Let us just see the sample. I will open Python IDLE that comes with Python software. Let me create a new file, Control N, and then let me just try to write a small print statement. So general statement is you just use print. Let us say my name is Anand. Okay, just save it, Control S. Let me just save the file in Technocamp folder, sample, some name, where run it, you get the output. This is a plain print statement. But let us assume that I have a variable here, let us say age equal to 50, right? My name is Anand and I am 50 years old. I want to say that you can just, so whatever you put it in double quotes or single quotes, right, in Python, that is considered as a string. But when you want to display the variable name, you just have to use the direct variable name as it is, right? Not within double quotes or single quotes. So here you can use comma, age, years old, right? And then you just run the program. So my name is Anand, I am 50 years old. Okay, so you can see the output clearly. So this is one option where we are using a comma operator for concatenation. The next option is you can use a string concatenation, right? But here you need to use, you need to take care of the type conversion. That means everything must be converted to string, and the string concatenation operator is plus operator. Let us see how to write this program. So for the same one, right, if I want to write a plus operator, I can just write plus here instead of comma. But age is not a string here. Here it is an integer type. So you have to convert into string by using string function, right? And then let me run the program. We get the same output. My name is Anand, I'm 50 years old. But here I'm using string concatenation operator. So this is the second option. What is the other option? You can use dot format method, right? With the print, there is a dot format method available. Here, the concept that you need to remember is you just have to use numbers, the variable numbers, like starting from 0, 0, 1, 2, like that, in curly braces, and provide corresponding variable names in the format method. Let us see how to do this. So you can just put everything together at once, right? My name is Anand and I am within curly braces. You have to write the variable name starting from 0. If you have more variables, you will just write 0, 1, 2. Basically, let's say city is equal to, right? Hyderabad. I will just declare another variable just to show you I am some years old, and then I live in another variable. So here you just have to put the numbers, variable numbers, and then use dot format, and then give the variable names here within format method. The first 0 represents age, second 1 represents city. So just close that format method. So this is dot format option. If I run the program, get it, my name is Anand, I am 50 years old, I live in Hyderabad. So here there is no type conversion required, but you have to make sure that the corresponding variable names are given properly for each of these numbers, 0, 1, 2. If you have more variables, you write more numbers there in the curly braces. Okay, so the next option, let us look at the next option. There is an fstrings method right? That is another variation of Python print statement. You can directly use the variable names. Here you don't have to use the numbers. You just directly use the variable names in curly braces, and there is no type conversion required. Let us see how to do this. So my name is, here there is no variable. Here there is a variable. Instead of 0, I can just use age, and then instead of 1, variable names, city, and there is no dot format, right? This is F format. So since it is F format, all I need to do is here I have to do F of, right? This is F string method. And the advantage with this method and previous method is you are writing the entire string together. There is no separation, there is no concatenation. You don't have to worry about concatenation. So here I am writing the variable names in the F string method. If I run the program, you get the output. My name is Anand, I'm 50 years old, I live in Hyderabad. So variable names is what you need to use for the F string method. And the other one is with number 3 and number 4, right? The other advantage that we have is you can use string methods to convert the messages. Let us say I want to have everything in uppercase, right? This is entire thing is a string. I can use upper, dot upper. So what is upper, lower, and the title? These are all string methods. Since it is a string, I can just use the upper method. Let me run the program. So everything is coming in capital case. So that is another variation that you can use with F-string method or even dot format method. So these are all the different variations that are available. And there is another concept, right? Within print statement, you can use some optional parameters. Print statement takes some optional parameters. Let me just show you n parameter, for example. If I have statement, different number of statements, let us say this is first statement. And then I have second statement. If I run the program, by default, the end operator is /n, which is a new line character. That is why you are getting first statement, second statement in different lines. If you want to get them in the same line, I can just pass that character end equal to, I can just pass a space or any special character. If I run the program now, you get them in the same line. So first statement, second statement, and the what is separation, they are separated by n parameter. I can just give any other parameter also. For example, dollar symbol, let me run the program, right? So you get a dollar symbol. That is one parameter. Another parameter is, let us say if I go back to my previous example, age equal to some 15 years, print, student name is Ramu, he is 15 years old, right? If I run the program, see the output. If you carefully observe, so there is, he is 15 years old. Before 15, if you see, I am getting two spaces. Why? Before 15, see, there is a space. Even is, there is a space here, one space here after is, there is, you get another space here. So everything, whatever your, the parameters that are separated by comma, uh, the separated the separation operator is space by default. So if you want to change it, I can just pass a CP is equal to, let us say I want to separate them by pound sign. You can just take pound parameter or any other character, any other symbol that you want. If you run the program, so now student name is Ramu, he is 15 years old. So there is a pound sign between before 15 and after 15, because everywhere there is wherever there is a separation, you get these options. Like that, there are some parameters also that you can pass to print statement. And you can use special characters, escape characters like /n is for new line, /t is for tab space, like that. So these are all the different options that are available. I hope this was useful to you. And some of my students who joined my workshop, I did not teach all the options, right? So for them also it will be useful. And take care. I will see you in the next video. Take care. Bye-bye. Happy learning.